Take the correct answer. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the
Bay of Bengal.
The shape of the southern plateau is
Shape of triangular.
सामने देख के बोलो, नीचे नहीं देखना है. India has dash physical division.
6.
The largest state in India is
Rajasthan.
The smallest state in India is
Goa.
The central government is headed by the सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में हेड कौन होते हैं? प्रेसिडेंट. कौन होते हैं? प्रेसिडेंट. इंडिया शोज इट्स बाउंड्रीज विद डैश इन द वेस्ट.
पाकिस्तान.
The coastal plains stretches for about dash kilometer in the mainland of the mainland.
6,000
kilometer. India is bounded by the dash in the north.
Nepal.
The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and
China.
Match the columns. Peninsula. Southern Plateau. Rajasthan.
Largest state.
Island.
Water on all sides.
Assam.
Dispur.
Uttar Pradesh.
Densely
populated. Okay. Name the neighboring countries of India.
Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives.
Or Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Why do you think India was divided into state and union territories?
Andaman Nicobar.
Wrong हो गया. Why do you think India was divided into state and union territories? क्या क्वेश्चन है कि इंडिया को डिवाइड किया गया स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरीज में, क्यों? क्या सोचते हो उसके लिए तुम?
India was divided into state and union territories because it is difficult for the
central government
to look after a law of
in
India.
each नहीं order. Law and order
it is part of a country.
In each part of the country, है ना? गवर्नमेंट को पूरे कंट्री को देख रेख करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी, इसलिए वो स्टेट और यूनियन टेरिटरीज को क्या किए हैं? डिवाइड किए. हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज आर देयर इन इंडिया? नेम एनी नेम. There
are 8 union territories in India. कैंसासिक प्रदेश 8 है.
हिंदी में नहीं बोलना है, इंग्लिश में आंसर देना है. हाँ बोलो. यूनियन टेरिटरी एंड कैपिटल.
यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड कैपिटल 8.
हाँ नेम बताओ.
नेम अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड, श्री विजयपुरम, चंडीगढ़, पुडुचेरी, लद्दाख, लेह, दिल्ली, न्यू दिल्ली, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, जम्मू इन विंटर, श्रीनगर इन समर, दादर एंड नगर हवेली, दमन एंड दीव, लक्षद्वीप, कारोती.
दादर नगर हवेली, दमन एंड दीव. कैपिटल दमन. Note on the northern plains of India. You know. Brief note on the northern plains of India.
The northern plains is occupy a greater part of northern India.
They lie between
Himalayas has southern
and
the southern peninsula. This area is known as the Gangetic place. Many rivers like जैसे गंगा, यमुना, रावी, सतलज and originate the Himalayas.
From the Himalayas.
These are perennial rivers that flow
through
the northern
plains
and
make them fertile. What is an island? Name the two main island group of India.
Andaman Nicobar. An island is a piece of land surrounded by
क्या है? सराउंडेड. सरोवर क्या है?
चारों ओर पानी.
हाँ तो वाटर बोलोगे. सराउंडेड बाय वाटर on all side. फिर से बोलो. व्हाट इज एन आइलैंड? आंसर बोलो इसका.
An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides.
Okay. Now you tell me. Name the two main islands group of India.
Andaman Nicobar, the two main
Islands?
groups
of-
of India are
Huh.
Andaman Nicobar Island on side Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep.
Islands in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. The Lakshadweep situated in.
The Lakshadweep situated in the Arabian Sea.
Describe the Indian peninsula.
This is triangular in shape. It is not
Broad.
No vast north and narrow down as the and go.
We go
We go
Southwards.
Southwards. It is Arabian
surrounded
surrounded Arabian Sea
by the.
by the Arabian Sea in the west. The Bay of Bengal is the
In
east.
the east.
Is the Indian Ocean in the south.
Huh?
It covers
A large part of.
a large part of Indian peninsula.
The earth has many wonderful places with different land forms. True or false? True. A delta is a large most of land projecting into a body of water.
False.
True.
True.
India has a small coastline.
False.
India is the seventh largest country in the world.
True.
In terms of area, Uttar Pradesh is the largest state of India.
False.
False. Current Chief Minister of India,
Sri Nitish Kumar ji.
Governor of Bihar. Oh,
आर्थिक
गलत हो गया ये क्वेश्चन. फिर से बोला. Current Chief Minister of Bihar. Sorry, India नहीं. Current Chief Minister of Bihar.
श्री नीतीश कुमार जी.
हाँ. Governor of Bihar. Current Governor of Bihar.
आरिफ मोहम्मद खान.
What meaning? Perennial river.
Pernia rivers that has the continuous
Flow throughout
flow throughout the year.
peninsula.
Peninsula is a large mass of India projecting into a body of water.
Subcontinent.
Some continents are large and
Distinct part.
distinct part of
Mass of continent.
mass of continents.
अच्छे से याद करो वर्ड मीनिंग को. स्टेट्स.
States, a small division of country.
यूनियन टेरिटरीज.
Union territory, state division which are governed by the union central government.
लार्जेस्ट स्टेट.
Rajasthan,
स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट.
smallest state Goa,
मोस्ट डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट.
Uttar Pradesh.
आइलैंड ग्रुप्स ऑफ इंडिया.
Islands group of India, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep.